Walk like a lone wolf, the art of solitude and self-discovery. By Nameless Saint, walking alone is not a retreat into bitterness nor a mark of failure. It is a deliberate choice, a way to embrace the quiet strength of the lone wolf. To walk alone is to be an explorer of life, rather than a mere traveler passing through its preordained paths. It is the celebration of freedom, a call to responsibility, and the pursuit of profound happiness. In solitude, there is freedom. The lone wolf does not depend on the pack to dictate its direction. It roams freely, guided only by its instincts and desires. To walk alone is to break free from societal molds and expectations, to liberate oneself from the noise of conformity. This freedom is not lonely. It is empowering. It offers the chance to see the world in its raw beauty, unfiltered by the distractions of others. But with freedom comes responsibility. Walking alone is not a rebellion against the world, but a pact with oneself. It is the courage to face life as it is, unshielded by the comfort of companionship. To walk alone is to take ownership of your choices, to navigate challenges with resilience, and to accept the consequences of your actions with grace. It is a call to stand tall, not because someone else demands it, but because your inner strength compels it. The lone wolf is not a traveler, searching for destinations, but an explorer seeking understanding. Exploration is not bound by geography. It is an inward journey as much as an outward one. Each step is an opportunity to delve deeper into the mysteries of existence, to question, to learn, and to grow. The explorer does not merely walk. They wander with curiosity, discovering truths that reveal the essence of life. And in this journey, happiness blooms. Not the fleeting pleasure derived from external validation, but the enduring joy of alignment with one's true self. To walk alone is to find harmony within, to cherish your own company, and to celebrate the simple yet profound realization that you are enough. Happiness is not found in others. It is cultivated within. To walk like a lone wolf is to walk with courage and purpose. It is a reminder that solitude is not a void but a canvas, a space to paint the colors of your existence with freedom, responsibility, and joy. It is not a rejection of the world but a bold embrace of your individuality. It is a dance with the rhythms of life, a journey into the depths of meaning, and a testament to the quiet power of self-reliance. So, take that first step. Walk like a lone wolf. Wander boldly into the unknown and find not isolation but connection, to the world, to your spirit, and to the infinite possibilities of being unapologetically yourself.